Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Olympus Mons, and I have brought another video that tells you the solution of one Hitapp. That is, let's check that. Oh, that's about tabloid, if the content is tabloid or not. That is English tabloid content evaluation, right? So let's start from the first screenshot that I took. So let's maximize it. So first was this: the parking lots, Memorial Stadium, gates to open early Saturday. So that is, it's not tabloid, right? So click on it's not tabloid. I was correct in this. So it's not tabloid. Okay. So next, the seven wonders of the world brought back to life, and that is actually also not tabloid. Okay. So click on not tabloid and submit it. Next, it's Mark Wahlberg is shirtless amongst Tom Holland. This article is actually a celebrity gossip, so click on celebrity gossip and submit. Next, the 13 viewer finds on Amazon that will leave you baffled and amused. So that is also actually scandalous or shocking. I was correct in this. So click on scandalous or shocking that tab. So next, Nick Cannon issues apology to the five mothers of his children. Okay, so that is also a celebrity gossip. So click on celeb gossip, okay, and submit. Next, okay, so the Meghan, Duchess of Sussex, appeals to congressional leaders to pass paid family and medical leave. So that is actually a it's not a tabloid, but I selected celebrity gossip and I was wrong. So select it's not a tabloid, right? Select not a tabloid. So let's move on. Josh Donaldson breaks the internet with a Josh L2 argument. So that is actually a celebrity gossip. So it is a celebrity gossip. So click on celebrity gossip. And next, 69 casseroles that are as warm and cozy as your favorite sweater. So that is actually a scandalous or shocking article. So click on scandalous or shocking tab, not the not tabloid. I was wrong in this because I selected not tabloid, but it's actually a scandalous or shocking option. Okay, so next, partisan biases laid bare on Virginia districting commissioner as more gridlock stymies congressional map. So this one actually, it's not a tabloid, right? It's not a tabloid. This article is not a tabloid. So click on this, not tabloid. Let's go to the next. Democrats look for tax options if they have this rate hike. So this is actually a not tabloid. It's a proper news. So select not tabloid. Okay. Let's go to the next slide. So Academy Museum announces limited edition NFT with House Brothers. So this is actually a not tabloid. It's a proper news article. So it's not tabloid. So click on not tabloid. So I was correct in this. Okay. So next, Leanne Rimes shares stunning new bikini photos for her 39th birthday. So this is actually a celebrity gossip. So Leanne Rimes is celebrating. So it's a celebrity article. So select celebrity gossip. Next, Aquaman star Jason Momoa sustained multiple injuries. This is actually not a tabloid. I selected celebrity gossip and I was wrong in this. So select not a tabloid. It's a proper news. So select not tabloid. Okay, so let's go to the next. Jim Jordan tells lawmakers he can't recall how many blah blah blah. So this is actually a not tabloid. It's proper news. Select not tabloid. Simon Biles is beaching until further notice. So this is a bikini wine with caption. So this is a celebrity gossip. Simon is a celebrity, and this is the last one, and there is no any issue. So this is how I've successfully passed the qualification. So do what I have shown you in this video, and you'll definitely get passed. So thank you very much, and bye bye.